Hi guys, I'm Alex and welcome back to 2.0. Now, this year's digital learning and work from home situation pushed tech companies to provide alternatives that would best fit our needs. Despite the lack of Google mobile services, Huawei continues to step up its game with their newest MatePad. Now, this new mid-range tablet features a 10.4-inch screen, Harman Kardon-tuned speakers, and a Kirin A10 processor. Now, let's take a closer look at it. The back of the MatePad contains a clean navy blue panel with a small vertical cutout on the upper right for the camera, which allows for easy handling with its micro-arc middle frame and grip. The tablet feels pretty lightweight for its size at 450 grams. It's suitable to carry on the go, which makes the MatePad ideal for students and business people. I've been using this for about a month now, and the 10.4-inch screen is what I love the most about it. You can also enjoy multitasking by swiping from the left or right to choose the other app you want to open. It includes an 8-megapixel front camera on the top and features an 84% screen-to-body ratio thanks to its slim borders. The screen features a 2000 by 1200 Full HD Plus resolution, which looks clear and crisp no matter what app you're running. In keeping with the slim build, the MatePad sound system is integrated into the body through a quad-channel speaker system. Sound is delivered by Harman Kardon, which delivers immersive and cinematic audio with Hisense 6.0 3D stereo. It enables the audio output to come with deeper bass and higher volume while allowing sound to travel for longer distances. It can be quite overwhelming having this power on your palm, so make sure to always listen at a good volume. It also has 4 microphones on top, and on its bottom you'll have the card tray for your nano SIM card, while the USB Type-C port is on the right. It has a smart cover available you can buy separately along with the Huawei M Pencil. The MatePad 8's megapixel and wide-angle front camera has a 107-degree field of view. This extensive range assists you during video conferencing calls as it detects you within the frame and makes optimizations automatically. The MatePad has a similarly modest 8-megapixel rear camera, complete with autofocus and flash. Internally, the Huawei MatePad contains a powerful Kirin A10 octa-core CPU and 6GB of RAM and 128GB storage. It runs at a base speed of 2.27 GHz to ensure high performance even with intensive tasks. To further assist gamers, the Kirin A10 has a DaVinci NPU that offers exceptional AI functioning such as scene recognition, video collage generation, calorie counting, and object identification. Powering all this hardware is a large 7250 mAh battery that lasted as long as 4 days with light to moderate usage. The battery is compatible with a 10-watt charge, meaning it will take a long 4 hours for a full charge. It supports other fast charging tech, so if you have that, you'll wait a little less than 4 hours. In terms of safety features, the MatePad doesn't have an in-display fingerprint scanner, but it comes with a facial recognition which worked fine. It runs on EMUI 10.1 with Huawei mobile services that features the App Gallery and Petal search to find all the apps you want since it doesn't have Google mobile services.
Your gateway to a million apps.
For a mid-range tablet featuring a 10.4-inch screen, powerful processor, and Harman Kardon speakers, for the price of $29.90, it's actually worth it. Only room for improvement is the long charging time and perhaps the camera. Other than that, it's a pretty capable tablet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it on the comment section down below or on our website secondopinion.ph. I'm Alex and I'll see you guys soon.